Guys, welcome back. So nandito na tayo sa bahay at pinrepare na rin natin yung ating lulutuin na chicken arroz caldo. Servan ko na si Annie habang mainit pa. So guys, ito na yung ating finished product. Mrs. Annie, arroz caldo is already done.
You fill my cup up and let it overflow.
Hello guys, good evening. Magandang gabi. Ngayon po ay papunta ako ng grocery store para mamili. Sorry, ito yung basket natin. Ayun, kasi nga si Annie ay nagugutom paggabi mga pre. Kaya ngayon ay mamimili ako ng sangkap para sa lulutuin ko sa kanya sa gabi para meron siya makain. So mamimili muna ako. Kita rin sa mamaya. There we go guys, nabilin natin. Yeah. May kanin na tayo dito. Bawang. May saging na pinabili ni Papa para babaunin niya daw bukas. So, diretso na tayong uwi. Para mamaya hindi nagutumin si Annie sa madaling araw. Meron na tayo maluto na chicken arroz caldo.
Good evening guys, magandang gabi. Welcome to our news episode. While I'm busy resting here with this little guy. It's almost 12 o'clock already. I think I will go up soon to the other two children. This little guy wants to drink again. Very soon. Always in the evening, and then I get hungry in the night, and I think Archie is preparing something to eat for me because yesterday in the night I was asking, do you have something to eat? Can you bring me something to eat? Because I'm getting hungry now in the night. And we didn't have something, so Archie will prepare something for now, I think, because he remembers yesterday evening. Today and the last day we didn't do so much in the day because I need to rest first a little bit. But we ate the leftovers of the adobo, and this little guy wants to drink a lot. Otherwise he's sleeping also very nicely while the other two are playing loudly around him and want to give him kisses and want to hold him. But I think he's used to the noise already from inside the tummy, so he doesn't mind the noise and the fuss about him. But now in the evening he always wants to drink a lot. So it's time to give him the day again.
Hello guys, welcome back. So nandito na tayo sa bahay at pinrepare na rin natin yung ating lulutuin na chicken arroz caldo. So buti na lang may mga nabili tayong sangkap na kulang natin kanina. Lalo yung kanin. Naubusan tayo mga pre. Sa totoo lang, mabenta na yung kanin ngayon dito sa kanila. And ito, naglagay na rin ako ng itlog. Nag-request siya ng 3 kung sakali para mabitin daw. So tara guys, umpisa na natin to. Para makakain na si Annie, tsaka si Baby Adam. Nakapag-toasted na rin pala tayo ng garlic dito guys kanina. Yung para sa konti nating garnish sa taas. Sana magustuhan din ni Annie. Unahin na natin itong sibuyas guys. Sunod natin yung ating garlic. Ayan. Sunod natin yung ating pampabango na ginger or luya. O kung tawagin sa kanila ay ingwa. Yung mga ganyan guys. Sunod natin yung ating chicken strips mga pre. O yung ating sinuwang manok na kahaba. Sunod natin yung paminta. Ating asin. Natin ulit. yung ating turmeric. Hindi pa naluluto guys, pero ang bango na. Solid talaga pag meron siyang luya at saka yung turmeric. Talagang iba yung nabibigay niya na aroma, mas mabango. Lalagyan ko na ng konting oyster sauce guys, ha? Hindi lahat ito ha. Yan. Mix lang natin ulit. Ayun, nag-golden brown na siya guys. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating bigas. Yan. Tapos i-mix lang natin ito. Napakadaling gawin lang nito guys. Sa totoo lang. Tapos i-mix lang natin ito guys. Naalala ko nung bata pa ako guys, pag may sakit talaga ako, trangkaso, ito talaga yung unang-una kong hinahanap. Kumbaga ito na yung nakagawian ko. Tapos yung partner niya, Royal, yan talaga yung lagi kong hinahanap. Pinapabili ko kay nanay. Iwasan na natin ng tubig. Ayan. Punuin lang natin hanggang sa lumubog yung kanin. Tapos takpan na natin. Antayin lang natin kumulo guys, tapos haluin natin mamaya. Balikan lang natin saglit. Check ko muna si Mrs. guys. Yung ginagawa niya. Makagising si baby Adam. Ay. Sleeping. Yeah, almost done. Sorry for waiting. Oh, nakatulog na si Mrs. Yeah, almost. Maybe 10 minutes, okay? Yeah, you go sleep again. Sleep lang, baby Adam. Sorry. Kailangan natin bilisan, guys. Hello, Mati. Magluluto lang ako. Ayan, guys. Dagdagan lang natin ang tubig. Ayan. Ayun, konti na lang din. Niluluto na yung ating kanin. Pwede na natin i-serve kay Ani. Hindi ko lang alam kung magugustuhan dito ni Timmy at saka ni Ella bukas. Guys, tingin ko okay na to. Amoy pa lang, talagang papagaling na ng mga kasukasuhan eh. Barkaso tsaka sipon. Mabango talaga. Ayan, no? Sakto na yung luto ng kanin natin. Ayan, lapit niya. Kulang na lang natin ngayon. Ay, tikman natin kung sakto na ba yung lasa. Check natin kung sakto na ba. Pwede na, pwede. Tara, serve na natin kay Ani bago pa makatulog yun talaga ng tuluyan. Servean ko na si Ani habang mainit pa. Guys, ito na yung ating finished product. Sana magustuhan ni Ani. Ang ating special arroz caldo. Gisingin natin si Mrs. guys. Nakatulog na to. Asawa ko. Mrs. Ani. Ayan. Kleine. Sorry. Your arroz caldo is already done. Sorry I disturbed you. You want to eat? Yeah. So that your tummy is okay while breastfeeding our baby little angel. Also, I will get him later, okay? I will get the arroz caldo. Mabango. Yeah. I'll bring it there. Okay. Guys, nakita nyo na ba si Ani? Na maliit pa? Yan, ang cute. How old are you? 21. 21. Kain na.
How do you eat this one?
This one is arroz caldo, is rice porridge.
Oh.
Yeah, it's sarap ng tulog.
Smells very, very good as well.
Yeah.
I hope you will join me in eating because
That's
I don't
okay.
think I can finish everything.
Eat first, and then I will eat later. Don't worry, baby Adam is
Sleeping very nice.
sleeping very nicely, and he was also prone to the very noisy environment. You know, Timmy and Ella guys when they play. He's so very cute, guys. Saka na namin siya i-reveal, guys, no? Medyo palaki-laki muna namin siya. Only two days old, eh. Sticky, no? My goodness. It's not a lugaw anymore. It's getting sticky. But it's okay. You can add water if you like. But you like this one?
I like this one.
You will eat it here. It's just like... but it's okay. It's already there. Guys, ginawang yung kanin na normal. But it's okay. It's very, really, really sticky, guys. I made it really, really sticky. Masyado siyang malapot. But tingnan natin. Patikin muna natin kung okay. Supposed to be it's a little bit, watery. So you gotta sip like that. But this one, it's okay.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, sometimes my nanay also made this one very sticky. Which is I like it also. You want to pray first before we eat?
I.
Well, thank you. Thank you to the Lord.
You fill my cup up and let it overflow. You fill my cup up and let it overflow. You fill my cup up, let it overflow. Let it overflow with love. Amen.
Only amen. I know.
Ready?
Release.
Fröhlich sei das Abendessen, guten Appetit. Fireside.
It's supposed to be Morgan.
Yeah,
It's
that's
okay. Kain na. So, meron naman mamaya yun siya.
First bite.
Nagising na tulog siya. Tulog. What's the taste? You like it or no? Tell me the truth.
I like it very much. It feels like the first time eating this one. A long time, really long time that I ate arroz caldo. I think last time.
I will go. You can continue.
I think this is the first time that I eat this one made by you. Last time I think was made by your mama or something.
Yeah.
Very, very yummy.
Thank you. I love you too.
Love you more.
I think I don't like me to stay there.
Yeah. Ooh, Papa. Very yummy as well. I hope you will try it also.
Yeah.
It's really, really yummy. But now I will try it with lime because there's lime there. And I really love lime. Right? You're supposed to eat this one.
No, don't.
Even nicer. I think you also have to try this one when I'm done. Then I will feed Adam because I think I need to hurry. He
I
wants to
tried
eat
it.
something.
It's nice, but I think it's more nicer when you're the one who tries. Yeah.
Feels
And
like
also
home.
Yeah, and also the kids. We will see tomorrow if they will like it. Sorry, I'm behind the camera. When I sit, I will try to sit down. Let's see if maybe Adam will like. Hi guys, this is my third time anyway to sit down here. We cut it only. So now, he's behave. Oh, naubos na. Ayan.
Manyaman.
Manyaman. Yan guys, nilakyan ko na yung hiwa ng luya kasi pag nagluluto ako ng tinola, nagrereklamo siya, nakakagat niya daw yung luya. You bite with the tinola when, tinola. You bite the ginger accidentally when I cut it into small pieces. So I decided to make it long so you see.
He knows me
this
well.
time.
Oh, one more.
Nagamulat siya. Pinapakita niya yung mata niya guys. Nakikinig siya, tsaka naamoy niya syempre. Loko to si mama tsaka si papa, sila lang kumakain Iiyak nga ako mamaya. Maiyakan nga. Ngayon guys, ay medyo nawawala na yung pula-pula niya. The red spots on his face is little bit gone already. No, slowly.
Yeah, it's called newborn acne, so that's from my hormones that I give
Okay.
him.
Meron kasi siyang parang yung alam mo yung nagka-rashes ng pula. So ngayon wala na. Konti-konti pa. Magiging ano na siya.
It's not
Flawless na. I love you too.
humor.
Mhm.
Thank you for cooking.
I love you. Actually, this one you need to mix it with the onion spring and then the garlic thingy on the top. So garnish, you need to mix. But it's okay. It's really sticky. You want to add more water?
No,
No?
I
Oh,
really
okay.
like it as a porridge as well.
Oh, it's okay.
It's perfect as you made.
I'm hoping that no one will bash me at the moment. Explain to you guys that I put little bit of water. Sorry, pasensya lang. Maybe someone will comment like, "Ay, that is not the arroz caldo." Uy, guys, nag-brown out na. Namatay na yung ilaw namin. Sorry. Brown out. Namatay. Oo. Naiiyak na naman si Baby Adam, guys. Selos na naman kasi nagsubo ako.
Now Archie went back to the kitchen to move a little bit more with Adam because Adam is really getting hungry now. I'm really happy that he cooked this one for me because I need it in the night. I'm getting hungry. But I think we need to finish this video now. We'll eat a little bit more behind the camera because it's really a masarap. I hope you enjoyed our video. See you in our next one. Thank you for your support always. And of course, before we close, don't forget to like and comment down below and subscribe if you haven't done that yet, or hit the bell button so you don't miss our videos.
Say goodbye now. You need to say goodbye.
I know, I'm saying goodbye already.
Sorry, yeah. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.